Morning, good morning. Good morning, Miss Jason brother, Jaspo. Good morning, James, AC Trades. Welcome in. Let's see what we have today. Good morning, Tristro. This thing looks kind of bearish, no? I just hate the fucking daily chart. It's just watching it every day like this makes me sad, not gonna lie. Okay, daily chart, like nothing that I can take from the fucking daily chart. Like there's nothing. Good morning. There's nothing that I can take from here. Like, look at that. 4 hour. We traded into a 4 hour gap. We are moving lower. We are on a 4 hour C3 as Jason um, said in chat. So this one, the 2 a.m. candle should move lower. We are also on a C4 on the hourly. We traded also inside a fair value gap on the hourly, not just the 4 hour. 4 hour gap. 15 minute. We swept and we're moving lower. This low over here. We have this unicorn setup at the 15 minute. Uh, that looks really good. Looks really fucking good. I want to short. That's the truth about all of this. Yeah, I know. I saw ES like this. I mean, ES just went for it. Like, good morning, good morning. Yeah, yeah, we good. Good morning, the DB. Like the S&P is just fucking crazy. Um, compared like between ES and Q, it's just extremely weaker. It's coming home for you, and I wish. Let's see if we can just win the last match. Morning time. Yeah, man. Like the daily. I don't know. It's looking like at some point it's gonna explode and go into like one direction. But man, like waiting for that move to happen has been crazy. Like nothing uh that I can take from the daily like for bias. I provide on Apex Loki took my life to shit. Oh really? But how? What happened? Good morning, Leo. What up? What up? I want to short this. What the fuck? That's crazy. But that's crazy, damn. But was it like a manual ban or like something automatic? Fuck, I missed on the short. Yeah. That's insane. Morning rabbit bullet. Yeah. I want to be in these shorts. I just missed my way in. See if we can like, I don't know, create a 5 minute fair value and then go lower. Pretty, pretty close to what we did here. Good morning, Chris. Do we have news folder? Let's see. Do we have like news? Uh, the thing is, we have unemployment claims that I don't know why they changed it to orange, not red. Yeah. My idea here would like to be too short into this lows. That's The thing is, like, it's just got really close to them already. But a brother, doing good. How about you? The 5 minute closes in 2 minutes. So let's see if we can create a fair value gap here. Brother, I wouldn't copy me. Been having a rough time trading. Okay, 5 minutes for value. Okay, we traded into the fair value gap. Okay, let's see. He is also trading into the fair value gap. Good morning, Ben. How are you doing? 2 weeks are close below the fair value. We can respect this. Hello. 5 minute reacting. Did we close? Not yet. 40 seconds for this 5 minute to close. Set it into 5 minute gap. I would be looking for a continuation short out of the 5 minute gap. Short in gold. Yeah. Gold and crude oil right now, they're looking really fucking bad. I know. I always prefer, like, I've been doing this for a long time. Like, not aiming like my trades for the actual highs or lows, like the actual draw on liquidity. I wanna fit my trade into the like the current price and the draw on liquidity. Because yeah, lately we're just doing nonsense shit. Let's see if we confirm this. We're gonna try. Like I've been doing this lately, looking for continuations on the 30 seconds out of 5 minute chart. Why not the upper one? Which one? Like this one? I think that's a breakaway gap, to be honest. I mean, if this one failed, I would be looking for the next one, that's for sure. But just playing whatever I'm getting here, and so far it's just reacting out of this one. Let's see. If we confirm, I'm gonna take it. I'm using all of this. Oh yeah, I need to copy Alex what he's doing. I cannot Alex to be the only one trading the second shard. Ugh. Alex is crazy. He is. He is. The thing is, it doesn't surprise me. It doesn't surprise me at all because he's been doing this since I know him. Like he's been trading the second shard since the day one that I know him. So the only thing that concerns me about this trade is that on this type of continuation trades, not setting the stop loss at the high is very risky. Like the way I'm doing it is actually really risky. But whatever. I'm on an evaluation, so I'm just gonna take it easy. Trade it back here. Thank you, Mozilla Lama. Let's see if we can win the finals. Good morning, Trent Scoffs. Did Messi say that really? I mean, all I'm saying is that throughout the whole fucking competition, everyone was shitting on Spain, and the fact is that Spain is at the fucking final, beating France, Portugal. Like, I don't know why they are that confident on winning us. when they were like fucking close to losing to Egypt. What the fuck? Hey, great push here, holding a little bit under the drawdown. Oh, fucking yeah. Keep going. Which was it? I grabbed Apex accounts since they're running a discount. No, no, five. I'm trading five. Now let's see if we can commit to the lows here. Um, yeah, important thing would be to just commit to the fucking lows here. I grabbed end of day. Yeah, not trying to fuck around too much with the intradays. Even though like I did good when I traded them, um, I prefer to just not do it now if I have another option. I just got used to so much. Like the thing that the why it didn't affect me is because with Apex I was like going for I know. Oh, what the fuck? Am I out already? Oh yes, TP. Yeah. I don't know what happened on this kind of but it just filled me to take profit here real fucking quick. Well, what that was a trade. Clean continuation trade here out of this 5 minute gap. So to the fucking tick, that's true. To the tick, quick ass trade. Yeah. Yeah. I was and GG, the GG Lil. The only thing that I was considering, as I said, was not having the stop loss at the high and just using the breaker block here for the stop loss. But hey, we held pretty nice. The shorts were looking fucking good out of the sweep here. The big SMT with NQ and between NQ and ES. Yeah, GG guys. Activate this. Wow, it was like exactly to the tick. Like that's crazy. I think it never happened to me that way, where we just trade to the exact same tick. Then trading the second chart during London session is something else. That didn't get filled on MQ. Yeah, on MQ we didn't even reach Twar, right? No, we're just far away from it from the Twar. I don't know why. It's just that weird. The Twar is just below the. I know it's just exactly the low. Let's see if it moves slower from here. You can get out also on MQ. Then let's see what we do here at the lows whenever we sweep this. I think we're gonna have a reaction. Is there any fair value at this area? No. Checking MQ for you, brother. to see if you can get to take profit. No, no, I actually didn't show New York yesterday. I didn't trade much. Like I didn't check the charts much yesterday. I worked on other things and then at the evening I went to just play tennis. This week only happened like this huge week only happened on NQ. MNQ has a week, but didn't it was not like the same week, like this same week here. That's weird. It should be out on MNQ also, right? Yeah. Like whoever was in this on MNQ should be out already to on MNQ, not just NQ. Perfect. There you go. We took like our piece of the cake. Yeah, it is tricky PA, but like with this price action, just straight continuations. Like don't try to time because right now timing the reversal whenever price is going to start moving the opposite direction is really hard. Or we are in an area that is really 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 obvious, um, or or it's really hard. That's why usually like lately, and I mentioned it to Leo because he trades a lot of continuations. Um, and so I started like trading continuations because of him, because he was doing so good. And then I found like the way to trade them, like using my indicator. Like if you have a unicorn, you don't get into the unicorn. You confirm the move from this one. So if this has to play out, like we have room for 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 going lower. What I do, the only thing that I do is just look for fair value gaps, then price to react to the fair value gaps, and then go even into the lower time frame to find an entry. Yeah, right, Leo. Like I'm doing more, like I'm trading more like this than just taking the unicorn. I just wait for the unicorn to form, start moving into the right direction, and then whenever we confirm the move, or we can assume that we are confirming the move, just look for continuations. The only thing could happen is that we don't get like, or the unicorn plays out really quick and we don't have a chance to wait for a fair value gap and whatever, or we just simply don't have a fair value gap. That's the only two things that could happen. So yeah, yeah. I mean, you're completely right. Like whenever the conditions are not that good, just get into the move, whatever, like it's actually happening, not trying to time it. There was a beast, guys. Like he knows ball. Looks like we're gonna keep going lower. That's crazy. Well, thank God we took that trade. That way I don't have to look for anything else for now. And if I can get something on New York and pass the evaluations, that would be nice. What did gold do? Damn, just gold. Gold looks really fucking bad, and crude oil also looking really bad. The only one that looks decent is NQ. Oh, by the way, this 15-minute breaker block slash unicorn hit war already. Really cool. What was my trade? It was so I saw that we were like trading lower. The chart looked bearish. Um, and we had this 15-minute unicorn that I clearly couldn't get in at 3 a.m. because we just started moving lower. So at this point, this move was confirmed. So I have this room, like based on this unicorn here, I have all of this room to try like 130 points to find a trade inside this for a continuation trade. The way I work with continuations is, um, for example, if I'm trading this 15-minute unicorn, I wait for a 15 or a 5 minute fair value gap to get tapped. Like pretty much the same thing that happened here. Like we traded into a 5 minute gap and we move lower. Continuation. Like you can find a trade here. Same thing happened here. Like the drawn liquidity is lower. This fits inside the 2 hour for the initial unicorn trade. We trade in the 5 minute. We go lower. Continuation trade here. And the way I get into the continuations is from the time frame that I find the fair value gap that I want to price trade into to then continue the same direction is I go to the lower time frame for that time frame. Like for example, for the 5 minute, I use the 30 second. So what I do is just look for what I would look on any other unicorn trade. A liquidity sweep, like the high, low, higher high, lower low formation. Uh and uh then just use the breaker block. Uh the why I use this one is because we are trading the second chart. Like I don't expect the second chart to work the same way. Like to respect this, like sometimes it happens, but I don't expect price to respect the the breaker blocks or the unicorns. They are like small compared to like the grand scheme of things, like on all other time frames. I don't expect price to respect this areas the same way we do on like a higher time frame. That's why when I have this, like this, like just this as the breaker block. The difference from here to just using the whole thing is just 4 points. So for me, it is safer to just use this rather than use this because the difference is not that huge. Like my trade like changes, obviously changes, but I prefer to just use the whole swing. Like for like on the second chart, I prefer to use the whole swing if it makes sense and the trade doesn't change much. And as I was saying before, like the safest thing to do here would have been to put it at the high, but then the trade looks so bad. You're welcome, brother. See what 4 a.m. Creates here. Most likely not taking anything, but we're gonna see what Foreign gives us. I prefer 15-minute ones, 1 minute entry. Like that's my pretty much the time frame alignment that I use the most. But you have to do what you have to do, like, and I had to adapt because it's been hard lately to trade, not gonna lie. You keep going lower. That's crazy. That's insane. Last day, it was yesterday that we traded. Oh yeah, that I tried too long. Right at the open. We're having really directional London sessions, except for Monday. What's my edge? Like, what do you mean? What's my model? Just look, the edge is just different factors all together. The model, the discipline, your risk management. Mhm. Yeah, we're gonna see 10 a.m. open. Sorry, 10 a.m. 4 a.m. open. Um, and we're gonna move on most likely. Yes, I don't want to take anything else. Just want to see if something interesting happens. But that's it. Uh, Not really, to be honest. Like I don't really need to be aligned with the daily or 4 hour. If that's your question, like you're asking if I need to be aligned with the daily and the 4 hour. Thank you. Yeah, good morning. We thought it was gonna be funny. Would I take this? I mean, if at 4 we at 4, yeah, at 4 a.m. Like if we now move lower, sweep to 15, sweep previous hourly low. Maybe trying to look for something on the 1 minute, like on the lower time frame could be nice. Like of course I mean if it forms nicely, most likely yes. Yeah, in reality, like I would say none. Like there's like just a few businesses that you can make money in just 5 minutes. For sure. What's the logic behind your strategy in trading based on my psychology? Like I really think that your trading strategy has to be aligned with your psychology. Like if you're not good holding trades for too long, that's gonna affect the way or like the strategy that you're gonna choose. Like you have to be aligned with your like mentally, you have to be aligned with your strategy. You have to be okay with what's happening on your strategy, or be able to adapt your psychology to the strategy itself. Um, and I think that's usually like the worst case scenario. Like if you have to adapt, because like changing the way you behave is really, or the way you think, what you experience is really hard. That's why I think my model like fits really well into my psychology. Most of my I trade a time frame that is relatively low, so the trades don't like take too much. Uh, and I'm not looking for like extremely big trades, 'cause, like holding trades is not something that I really enjoy. A4M, which upper is 15-minute low, keeps moving lower. Completely, completely uninterested of what's going on here. Actually, the trade that I took, I actually got like 5 Apex accounts. I don't think there's a catch. Like they're just trying to get more people in. For 250, yeah. I mean, that's insanely cheap. Like 5 accounts for 250. Oh, no, 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 no. I just require 2 timeframes to be aligned. Like, I don't need to have the whole sequence. If you have it, like, if you have 4 hour, like, the only sequence that I like follow to, like, that gives me like more strength to my idea is if we have 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute open, high, low, close. Like, if all the 3 timeframes sweep the previous time frame high or low, that's something that I really like to see. But I don't need like the 3 of them. I just need 15 minute, 1 minute, 1 hour, 5 minute, 4 hour, 15 minute. I don't need a third one. But it's end of day. That's why I think they're really good also. If it was intraday, I would see why. Like, where's the catch in the intraday? But it's end of day. I mean, Apex, they're not like, they're really smart. They always do this type of shit when something, it is intraday. Oh, really? Is it intraday? I think I got it. I got it end of day. Let me check. Out of a dashboard. I got the 50K Trailway end of day trail for 49, like 449 each. Oh yeah, that's true. Like, if you wanna the no activation, yeah, so it's intraday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is the intraday one. You're right, guys. I mean, the intraday thing, just I just put it up because it was about to get 10. You just have to adapt. Like, I don't. To be honest, I don't remember having a hard time with the intraday drawdown when I was trading Apex. Exactly, yeah. The way I traded it, to be honest, was like just going for base hits. Not looking for a huge move, and that's it. And then look, just having a good break-even strategy, or like just being like getting stopped out in profit. And holding trades for longer than an hour, same. Like, for me, holding trades is something that I prefer not to do. Like, I'm okay with doing it, but I wouldn't like to hold trades. Like, if my trades, if I had to hold my trades every time, I know I would like go through a hard time. Yeah, market has been rough. Wear short. Good morning, Andres. Good morning. Oh, we took 1 p.m. low. Have I missed something? Yeah, we took a trade. We took a short continuation out of this. I mean, on the 30 seconds chart, out of a 5-minute gap. And we keep going lower. Yeah. Wow. I mean, if I don't like have to check New York, I'm okay with it. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I prefer to take my siestas instead of just trading New York if it's not a good session. Yeah, I don't know why I'm waking up really tired. We can go bowling today. Job done. Yeah, we can do that, Alex. I do, Ragnarok. Yeah, I do live in Spain. Yeah, I lived in Spain like my whole life. We just said the first start is yesterday, 10 a.m. 5 hour a week. Um, Let me check. Yes, definitely at this point we're going there. Yes, yes. This 5 minutes, so isn't it downside, but it's still aggressive. Way still aggressive. Like we're just like look at this. We've come a long way at this point, and look at these candles on the 5 minute. It's just insane. We keep going lower. Oh, really? Did you enjoy it low? Okay, go. I go really often there to Salo and Cambrils. Well, I live like 5 minutes away from it. Well, not five, but like 10, 15 minutes away from it. So we were really close. Yeah, that's the that's the catch with this type of places. Yeah, it's insane. Yeah, probably you would win because the market is just the way it is right now. I wouldn't recommend it though. I prefer to just not do it. But sometimes I think the same way. When especially when I'm like FOMOing a little bit into a trade, like into an idea, and I don't like kind of find a way to get into the market, I sometimes think the same way. I could just short it anywhere. For lucid sort of it, it is tempting. Well, if you're up, stay in the green. I mean, if it's a pro and you want to pass it on a day, do your thing. But since just you mentioned the consistency, I don't think you are. So um, Sairo, you just gave me a good idea. So yeah, I can record a video for it. Unlike which is like the way we traded it is, I can do a YouTube video for it. Yeah. Posted Insta, bro. Your Insta charts look really fucking good, bro. GG on them. And brother, you just have to protect the profit. If it's a flex and you have consistency, your job is done. Pretty much. And mine is too. Like, welcome, Sayo. Okay, boys, not looking for anything here. We got a great trade. We're gonna move on. If there's any question, let me know. If not, it's time to say goodbye. Same Tristro. Okay, boys. Thank you so much for tuning into the stream once again. Great trade today. Finally, we get something. Have a good day, brother. Peace, Trace. Yeah. See you tomorrow for another London stream. And yeah, last day of the also of the week tomorrow. Oh, sorry. Stay safe. Have a good New York session. And yeah, have a good day. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Bye. Looks like we're still around here. Thank you, guys. Look at James. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Great